Do you like to advertise on Facebook ads? We have the best coach in town. We have Coach Jingo. Friends, I am Petrush Macute from Happy, house that accumulates passive income. Happy is helping Filipinos how to build their own house without spending your own money. Yes, you are right. You heard it perfectly right. The question is, how can I bring this smart message around the globe? It is through the power of Facebook ads. And who is our big teacher here? The girl boss, Coach Jingo. She has the experience, she has the expertise, and that she has the extreme love. What drove her? What motivated her to help me even though I was months way back enrolled under her program? Friends, Coach Jingo did my Facebook ads and it is running right now and we are reaching many people. She can never gain anything from me. I have paid, I'm done paying. I cannot even blend her a coffee or timpler her a coffee in Cebuano. And yet, she did it. So friends, if you have Facebook ads needs, if you would like to learn, if you would like to advertise, go to Coach Jingo.